In the previous class, we learned how to mark the important mountain ranges, peaks, and plateaus of India. And in today's class, let us learn how to mark the other physical features of India like the coastal plains of India, boundaries of India, neighboring countries of India, etc. So here first we have Konkan coast. Konkan coast and Malabar coast are on the west coast of India. The western coastal plain of India comprises of Konkan coast and Malabar coast. And the coastal Kerala is called as Malabar coast. And here from Gujarat till Goa, it is called as Konkan coast. Actually, the coastal Karnataka here is called as Canara coast, but broadly we divide the west coast plain into Konkan coast and Malabar coast. So the first one is Konkan coast. So Konkan coast extends from it is broader in Gujarat and it becomes narrow here. And this is Konkan coast. This is number 1. And what is second one? Malabar coast. Malabar coast is coastal Kerala. Coastal Kerala is called as Malabar coast. This one. So this is number 2. What is the third one? Coromandel coast. The third one is Coromandel coast. So this is the coastal area of Tamil Nadu, and the east coast plain is broader than the west coast plain. And Andhra Pradesh are called as Coromandel coast, and this is question number 3. And the fourth one is Northern Sarkar. And this is Northern Sarkar. And Northern Sarkar is number 4. If you are asked to mark East Coast Plain and West Coast Plain, so this full East Coast Plain, both Coromandel Coast and Northern Sarkar together, you have to mark it as East Coast Plain, and this full Malabar Coast and Konkan Coast together, you have to mark as West Coast Plain. And number 5, it is Sundarbans, the largest delta of the world. This is Sundarbans. It lies both India and in Bangladesh. This is number 5, Sundarbans. And number 6, Northern Plains of India. The 6th one is Northern Plains of India. The Northern Plains of India extends from, we all know that it comprises of Punjab Haryana plain, Uttar Pradesh plain, Lower Ganga Valley, Upper Ganga Valley, isn't it? So this is this area. It's fully made up of northern fertile plains of India. And some part also extends here also. Okay. And this is Northern Plains, is question number 6. The seventh one is Thar Desert. The seventh one, Thar Desert. This is Thar Desert. To the west of Aravalli Ranges, this area is Thar Desert. And number 8, Park Strait. Actually, strait. What is a strait? Strait is a narrow water body that separates two land masses. So here, this Park Strait, it separates India and Sri Lanka. So this narrow water body. And some students, they get confused and they mark here, but you just imagine this as a face and this as a tip of a nose, and here is a gap, right? So this should be marked as Park Strait. This separates India and Sri Lanka. And this is question number 8. And ninth one, Gulf of Mannar. Actually, what is a Gulf? Gulf is a small water body encircled by land on the three sides. When the Gulf is widened, we call it as a bay. But this Gulf is a small water body encircled by land on three sides. So this area is Gulf of Mannar. This area is Gulf of Mannar. And this is question number 9. And number 10, Gulf of Kutch. This area is Gulf of Kutch. This is question number 10. And 11th one is Rann of Kutch. Actually, Rann of Kutch is a huge marshy tract of land in Gujarat. And the wild ass is very famous here. And this area, this dotted area, this is Rann of Kutch. And this is question number 11. And 12th one is Gulf of Cambet. It also has another name, Gulf of Cambay. It is also called as Gulf of Cambay. And this area, this land surface, it's as a peninsula, this particular area, it is surrounded by water on three sides, right? So this is also called as Kathiawar Peninsula. This area is called as Kathiawar Peninsula, and this is Gulf of Cambet or Gulf of Cambay, number 12. And 13th one, Bay of Bengal. Where is Bay of Bengal? It is on the eastern side of India. This east. And this is west. So here you have Bay of Bengal. This question number 13. And 14th one, Arabian Sea, you have here. Arabian Sea. And 15th one, Indian Ocean here. South. In the south you have Indian Ocean. 16th one, Andaman Nicobar Islands. And this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. And it has the only active volcano of India, Barren Island. This is question number 16. And capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair, and 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 16. 17th one, the southernmost point of India, Indra Point. This is Indra Point, this one. 17. 18, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea. 18. Pakistan, the neighboring country of India, Pakistan. It is in northwestern part of India. So this is Pakistan. 19. And Afghanistan here you have, and a very, very small portion. India shares a minimum border with Afghanistan, and it shares maximum border with Bangladesh. And here you have a very small portion, Afghanistan. Okay. 19 is Pakistan and 20th is Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. And 21, Bhutan. Bhutan is here. 22, Myanmar. This is 22, Myanmar. 23, Sri Lanka, the island nation. And another important, I forgot to add here, 24, Nepal. This is Nepal. 24. And here you have China. And Tibet is here. Hope now you understand how to mark the coastal plains of India, neighboring countries of India, and the boundaries of India. The next class, let us learn how to mark the rivers of India.